burning bag. Diyan ka na. Sa server ko, please.
Ano ba? Naman eh.
Tagal
na meron?
Oh, tagal nga ni Jandel, sabi niya ano eh. Tagal eh. Maglalagya ito siya. Don't worry. 7 Okay guys, hindi muna ako magsasalta. Patayin tayo. Tingnan natin saan ako maririnig yan. Kasi nagbibigay ng event si Jandel na maingay. Okay, 3 minutes na lang. Guys. Basta sprinkler, stop again. Jandel, stop by. Naaring mo na ba mo? Oh yeah. Saan ka na ba, ma? Favorite tool. Sino dito naglalaro ng headshot? Siya pala may
Yung pinabit niyo yung bakal pag uwi ng kuya niyo. Saan pinabit mo ba yung bakal?
Hindi.
Dito magsara.
Ano?
Yung matulog na, hindi makapasok yun.
Okay. Wala akong gas.
Diba tatanggalin mo siya, tapos isasabit mo sa pintuan, inak mo yung
Alam ko na. Alam ko po, ma. Alam ko po. Akal, hindi nga nakalak. Hindi nga nakalak ng isa doon. Nilak ko lang pinto. Nakalak lang pintuan.
wala nakasabit na bakal.
Yeah. Dahil si Jandel, bibigay na siya ng burning bag. Ah. Te, burning bag on stock, te. Wala kang burning bag. Okay guys, OP stock, W stock. Everything is everything. What the heck?
Ano meaning ng office?
Magaling. Ano? O ano?
Ito nga,
Ano nga? Meron. Tignan mo sa babang baba. Nag-restock na kasi, hindi ka dumoy na maaga eh. Ayan. Lahat tuloy yung burning bag. Ako meron. Mas mahal pa to sa bahay natin. Okay guys, hindi ko alam kung saan ako. Thank you. Kawawang ate. Oh! Nag-update na. Ay, sorry. Okay, nag-update na guys. What the heck? Tignan natin kung ano yung on stock. Show me pet shop. Totoo nga yung sneak peek na ginawa ni Jandel. Okay, wala dito na yung BX. I'm gonna run admin of this, I think. Okay, walang binigay si Jandel. Okay, meron siya binigay. Jump boost. Okay. Wait, that's a W1. That's a W. That's a W. What the heck is that? Okay, I'ma put it over here. Bro, I'ma put it over here. Yo. Okay, that thing's... Di paano kayo pag pinagpatong ko? Okay. Sheesh. Okay, that's a good jump. Let's take out can. Okay, about dito sa dinosaur. I really like dinosaur, you know. Wait, I have a flipping good idea, you know. Remember, okay, I cannot get it. I'm flipping, jumping out of nowhere. Push it over. Okay, I'm thinking, what will happen when I put it right over front of this door? Like, jump up and boink. Ay, nag-ano na lang si Jandel. Okay, about pala sa dinosaur na meron dito. Ito yung pinaka-paborito ko. I'm lagging a sec. Bro, no. Imagine this walking here and jumping out of no. Cheese. It's raining tacos. This is unremovable. Nobody can go in here, bro. Like, okay. Okay, what the heck? Oh, Gelit.
Mali.
Is that? Okay, this thing downstairs. Should I jungle? Huh? No. Oh no. I know. Last time. Ah! Holy. That was crazy. Is super crazy, bro. What the heck? No. I didn't flip any lucky harvest. Come on, flip. Junior. Nope, no. Okay. I don't want any more flipping seed, cause yeah. I don't know why that I don't know why the heck I have that thing. Yeah. Okay, ito na pala yung bagong update. Ano to? Okay. The heck is this? Ay, naku dyan din. Bro, I'ma break the rule. Oh. It doesn't work, you know. Ang dali lang ng Easter. Cosmetic naman to ah. Oh! Bro, dapat ginawa dito. Bam! Magiging mega jump. Okay. Flipping hiding. Oh. Thank you. I don't wanna be infected right now. Okay, my base is this scary, you know. Mama. Mommy pet shop. Sleeping head. So that's all. Make sure to like and subscribe. You can always change your mind. Bye. And hit and smash that bell button so you can get notified when there's a new vlog release. Bye. Okay. Bye. Love you. I mean goodbye.